Good morning, everyone. Once again, good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Kevyan, Vedant, Tej Kumar, I request you to turn on your cameras, please. After this, I will not repeat for anyone. I will directly remove the child. Sorry for that now, students. Okay?
Ma'am, my camera is off because in the room I'm sitting there. Ma'am, can I drink water? So I can.
Write in the chat box, Vedant. You're not clearly audible to me.
Ma'am, can I drink water?
Yes, please. I'm going to start the class now. Okay. So, children, now as you all know that we have taken the CET chapter number 4, tick, 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 right? It was related with time. So that chapter is already completed now. Now we move to the next chapter. What is the name of the next chapter?
The way the world looks.
The way the world looks. What do you understand by this word? The way the world looks. Okay, Vedanta. So, children, what do you understand by the name of this chapter, the way the world looks? Who will tell me? Raise your virtual hand. Raise your virtual hand. Who will tell me what are we going to learn in this chapter? The way the world looks. Yes, Moksh.
Ma'am, we will learn the means how it is the upper view, the top view. We will learn about
Okay.
that things
But
up.
have you understood something about the name of the chapter, the way the world looks? Yes, Manya?
Ma'am, the way the world looks means some other objects, like how we can see the objects, like how to see the top of the object, bottom of the object, side. Uh,
Hmm. Your
the
mic is mute. Yeah.
the face of the object means if it is some object, so how we can see from the top, bottom, side, its face. And
Yes, is you are near about the topic that we are going to see that how the different objects look from the different views. Rest how the same object, suppose the same object is there in my hand. Something is there in my hand. And if I show you only this part, it will look only you can see this is called the front view of the object. This is called the front view of the objects. This is called the side view of the object. This is called the back view of the object. And if I only show you, this is called the top view of the object. Yes. मीन्स क्या है कि हम जैसा वर्ल्ड को देखेंगे, जिस नजर से देखेंगे, जिस साइड से देखेंगे, हमें पूरा वर्ल्ड वैसा ही दिखाई देगा. Suppose is in this chapter there is a story about the Gappu, the mouse. Okay, he was a mouse, and when everyone looks the fan from down, the fan look clean, right? Neat. It look neat, or yes or no? It look clean. So have you ever think if we see the fan from the up, how it looks? And if we see the things from the up, how it looks? So that are we going to learn in this chapter, that when we see the object from different views, it will look different. Got it, students? If you are looking at this object, but you are looking from the top, you are standing on the terrace and you are looking only the top of this object. So will you able to find that what is this object? Because you are looking only the top part of this. You will only also will able to look only this top part. आप सिर्फ ऊपर का ही पार्ट देख पाओगे. तो ऊपर के पार्ट से टॉप व्यू से देखने से will you able to identify कि ये क्या है?
no, ma'am.
नो. जब तक आप इसके सारे साइड सारे व्यूज नहीं देख लेते, till that you will not able to identify which object is this. For example, what is in my hand? What is in my hand?
A pencil case.
What is
Pencil case.
this? Compass case. But what is the shape of this in the form of a
Car.
Cuboid.
Car.
If I show you this part, if I show you this part, you will only able to draw this image. Yes or no? Will you able to draw the side views? Will you able to draw the side views कि पीछे केस के side
No,
में
ma'am.
क्या है? नहीं ना?
No.
You will only able to draw this part and you will only able to see this part only. This is called the top view, which because you are looking the top part of this object. That is why it is called the top view of the object. The same object, if I will only show you this part, this is called the front view of the object. This is called the front. Front means आगे का, top means ऊपर का, side means उसके right side का और left side का, and back means उसके just opposite back. Got it, students? Suppose if I am holding this in my hand and I am showing you this view. So this is called the top view. This is called the
Side view.
front view. This is called the
Back
Back
view.
view.
this is called the
Side view.
side view. Okay, and this is called the bottom view.
Bottom view.
Called the bottom view. Okay,
Bottom
so we will look the objects from the different views. And suppose this is in my hand, and many students are standing in front near to this, right? And I told them start drawing the image. So the child who is standing here, will he able to draw this side?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No.
We can just make work where we are standing.
Yes, you will only able to see and draw the image where you are standing. आपको वही पार्ट दिखेगा जहां आप खड़े हो. Yes or no? Yes.
Ma'am, like
Yes,
our
ma'am.
hand.
Yes.
Like
Jigar
our
Singh?
hand. The front.
Okay. Anyone else has the object and can explain me about the different
Yeah.
views?
Yes, ma'am. I have a cube.
Okay. Can you explain us cube?
Yes, ma'am. If someone stands here, so
Hmm.
he cannot draw this part. So,
Hmm.
and when we look from the top like this, so it's called top view.
Hmm.
It's called front view. It's
Okay.
called back view, and it's called side view, and this is called bottom view.
Anyone else?
Ma'am, Manya.
Yes, Manya.
Ma'am, this is a bottle.
Hmm.
So I am going. We can see this top. This is a top view.
Hmm.
This is the when we put like this, so we can see the front view. We
Yes.
put it like this,
Hmm.
so we can see the back view. We put it like this, so we can see the bottom view, and we put this like this. We can see the side view.
Very good.
Ma'am,
Yes.
Aradhya,
Aradhya, yes, please.
this is the compass case. Ma'am, this top view. This.
Which is the top view? How you keep the compass box? It is depend on the how you keep the. You are right. If you are selling this is top view, then you say, ma'am, I am keeping the compass like this. उल्टा रख रहे हो तो top view मुझे वही दिखेगा, right? Aradhya, how you keeping your compass box? You keep the compass box first. Yes. If you're keeping in this way, then what will be the top view of this object then? This. And if you turn it around, previously you were saying, no, if I keep in this way, no, hold it like this. Hold it like this. Now tell me what will be the top view of this. अब ये ऊपर से कैसा दिखेगा? Look from the top. See it from the top. Top से देखो ना, ऊपर से देखो. Top means what?
Ma'am, her mic is off.
Your mic is off, Aradhya.
This.
Yes, it will be top. So depend on the object वो कैसे पड़ा है and from where you are looking it, right? Got it, Aradhya? Yes. Next child.
Ma'am, Tej. Ma'am, may I?
Yes, Jigar Singh.
Ma'am, I have a snake cube.
Mm-hmm.
Ma'am, this is the top of it.
Yes.
And this is the front of it, back of it, and side of it. And this is the side. And this is the
Bottom.
bottom.
Down part. Yes.
Now I-
Anyone else?
I'm Vishrut.
Yes, Vishrut.
This is my water bottle. This
Yes,
is
very
its,
good.
well, this is its side.
Mm.
This is its top side. This is its back side. This is front side, and this is a back side. Sorry, this is a down
How
side.
you can say, because all the sides are same, how you can identify and say yes that which is the front and which is the back?
Because this side is front one. This side and this side are sides, and the back and this side is back side.
And which is the top one?
Top one this,
Okay.
and the down one is this.
Bottom.
Now I can explain it.
Yes, Nishviva.
I have a small teddy bear.
Hmm.
This is the top view. This is the bottom view. This is the back view, and this is the front view, and this is the side view.
Very good. So if you show everyone the side view, so how you will draw, children? Show us the side view. Yes. So how you will draw? Can you all able to try to draw it, the side view of the teddy bear? Please draw. Try to draw the side view. Okay, pin Niva, and she is showing you. I am also showing you something in my hand. See, everyone can see this. What is in my hand? What is in my hand?
Teacup.
Yeah,
Teacup.
Teacup. So, view I am right now.
Okay, ma'am, I'm drawing.
Which Niva, you put it down. Thank you. Which view I am showing you right now, students?
Front
Which view? Front view. So everyone, please draw the front view of this cup. Manya is ready with the front view. Yes, Manya.
it's a small.
Yes. Now, if I am showing you this view, please draw this view of a cup. And this view is called which view?
top view.
Please draw the top view of this.
Top view.
Everyone, please draw. Very good, Manya.
Yes.
Good. Please draw the top view, students. Aradhya is done. Let me pin Aradhya. Yes, Aradhya, show us. Very good. Good, students. So now you all are clear. Yes, Granth, let me spin you. You are drawing in the textbook only, bacha? Okay, that you have tried good, but draw in the notebook. Okay. Very good. Viva. See, everyone pin Viva. She can see the hollow part and she has drawn the inside circle also. Yes, excellent, Viva. Thank you, students. Now, children, you are clear which are the different views of the objects. Okay. So now I'm going to show you one video.
Ma'am, what you were doing before this? Because I was changing my network.
After the class, I will, after the videos, I will show you again. Okay?
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Before the
Ma'am,
uh,
ma'am, see my.
Cube. It's three-dimensional as it occupies space. Now we will observe this cube from three different directions. We will look at the top view, the front view and the right view. Let's get started. How would this cube look if you were viewing it from the top? All we would see is the top face, which is a square. The top view of this cube is a square. Okay, let's come back to the original position.
See, the top view
How would
of
the
this
cube
is
look if we
square,
view it from the front?
but
We would see
if there
just
are
the
different
front
colors,
face,
so you
which
can
is
able to
also a
see the
square.
different colors from
The
different
front
views.
view is also a square. And how would it look if we view it from this side? A square again. Whether we look at it from the top view or the front view or the right view of the cube, we will always see a square. So this involves a bit of imagination, and we should try this out with different figures. Here's another figure, an empty glass. Take a moment and think about how the top view would look. Yes, all we would see is a circle. This is the top view. And if the top wasn't covered, we would see the circle of the base as well. And what about the front view? Pause the video and give it a thought. This is what we would see, a trapezium. Two sides parallel and two non-parallel. And the view from the right? Again, it would be a trapezium.
Anna said
Which
properly.
side you look at it from, we will always see a trapezium.
Anna said properly.
Imagining the views was pretty easy here. How about we make it a bit more exciting? I will be placing a few colored cubes on this plain surface to form a figure. Okay, so here it goes. I placed two red cubes here, one yellow cube on top, and one blue cube here. This is the solid we will be referring to for this example. We have two red cubes, one yellow cube, and a blue one. Now we need to draw the top view, the view from the front, and the view from the right. How does the top view look? Pause the video and try to draw it in your notebook. Let's try drawing it without moving the figure. If we look at it from the top, we will have the yellow square at the bottom. We draw a yellow square here, and this red cube will not be seen from the top as the yellow one is covering it. Next to the yellow square, we have the top face of the red cube. So we draw the red square face here. And to the right of the top face of the red cube, we have the top face of the blue cube. So we draw a blue square here. This will be the top view. If we take the camera on top, we can see that our figure is correct. Now let's get back to the original view. Looking at this, I want you to try drawing the view from the front and the view from the right. Okay, let's draw the front view first. The front view is the view from here. At the bottom, we have the front face of this red cube. So we draw a red square here. Imagine you are standing here. Now from the front view, what will we see on the top of the red cube? It will be the front face of the yellow cube. So we draw a yellow square on top of the red one. And at the bottom, next to the front face of the red cube, we will see the front face of the blue cube. We draw a blue square here, and that completes our front view. Let's rotate the figure to verify our answer. Yes, we are right. And what about the view from the right? In the same way, when we view the figure from the right, we will get a red, yellow, and blue face like this. How will the view from the right look? This is the view from the right. Notice that the front view and the right view look the same. Drawing views from different angles simply requires a little bit of imagination, and with enough practice, you will surely excel at it.
So now you understood about the top view, front view, and the right view. Yes, students?
Yes, ma'am.
I want to show you one more video.
Good Good morning, children. Today we shall see how a 3D object looks different from different angles. As we saw, the teacher put a small house model on the table and asked the students to draw the picture of it. But not every student drew the same. But all of them had drawn the same house. So why were they different? Well, the drawings were different because the students were looking at the house from different angles. So the house was looking different to them. Some could only see the front view. And this is the house looked from the front view. While some students could only see the side of the house. And this was one of the side views of the house. The tall students could also see the top of the model house. And this is how the house looked from the top. And one student even drew the 3D model of the house on the paper. As a solid shape has depth, we can see it from different point of view. Like a hut looks like this from the front view. And it looks very different from the side view. And if you were tall enough or you climbed a tree and looked down from there, how would the house look? The same house would look entirely different. And this is the way house looked. Isn't it? So, different children looked at the house from different angles and hence they drew different drawing of the same house. So while you are drawing a house, you must decide from which viewpoint you are looking at it. Is it top view, front view, or the side view? As the house looks different from different viewpoints. Same way, while we are drawing any solid shape, we must imagine how it looks like in the real world. We can't see all faces at a time, like when we see a dice, at a time we can see maybe one face, two faces, or three faces. Not all the 6 faces at one time. So we get different view of the same object from different viewpoint. The cuboids are very similar to the cubes and are very common in the real world. Boxes, buildings, houses, buses, and many other things are cuboid in shape. Now, if you want to draw a pencil box, you need to imagine how it looks from different viewpoint. Now, if we see from the top, it looks like a rectangle. Same way, it looks like a rectangle from the bottom too. All of its faces are rectangle. But if we want to draw it properly, we have to show its depth, which is the main difference between a 2D and a 3D.
Suchi, stable your camera, sit properly.
It's hard to represent the depth of solid through 2D drawing. But
Ma'am, my
there are
mobile
many
is
wonderful
charging.
things to draw, like pyramid, one of the 7 wonders. How would drawing of the pyramid look like? Let's see how the pyramid looks from different angles. As we see, the side faces are triangular. So from the side view, it looks like a triangle. It has a quadrilateral base. So the bottom view of it will look like a square. You know, viewpoint is really important at times. Look, there are 4 boxes kept.
See
3
students,
boxes are
please
kept
listen
at
this
A.
very carefully and try to understand it. When we are counting and keeping some boxes, sometimes know what happen if we are looking from the top only. Maybe we are not able to see the boxes which are kept down. Maybe we are only able to see the boxes which are kept up. So the calculation get different. So this example will show you this. So try to listen this properly and understand it properly.
And one on the top of the middle box. From this view, front view, we can easily say that there are 4 boxes. But from this side, it looks like 2 boxes only. And if we have to look from the top, it would look like 3 boxes. Now the calculation of number of boxes is different each time because of different viewpoint. Now let us see another arrangement of few boxes. Can you tell how many boxes are there? Well, it looks like 5 boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4 boxes which we can view easily, and one box must be there below the box number 1. Now this is the side view. From here, it is confirmed that there is a box below the box number 1. So, there are 5 boxes. But from this viewpoint, which is a side view, it looks like there are only 3 boxes. From the top view, we may think that there are 4 boxes. So we see the viewpoint or the angle at which we view the thing is very important. So we see the idea about different viewpoint of the solid shapes is important for drawing the solid shapes, as the solid shape may look different from different angles, say from the top view, side view or the front view. And it is also important for the visual estimation in the real life. Like we saw in the case of counting the total number of boxes. That is all for today.
So I hope you children understood about how to look the things from different views. And we have to be sure when we look the thing from all the views, then only we can say the object is this, right? Yes or no? By looking at one face or by looking from one side, we cannot say what the object is. Got it? Now I want to present you the worksheet which I am going to send you today, and will explain you that also. Till here, I hope everyone is clear about the different views of the objects. Yes or no?
Yes.
Clear? Okay, wait. Yeah. Is this worksheet visible to you all?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Here are these some top views which are drawn here, and you need to match it with the objects which are given down. So if we see the circle, the first circle is the top view of which object?
Can.
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 Okay. And the square is the top view of which object?
The building.
The building.
Yes, the dog which is kept here. Yes, you can say anything. Next, which is the next shape after square?
Pentagon. It is
Pentagon.
Pencil.
Yes. And the triangle is the top view of the pyramid. Yes. So you need to match with the pyramid. And this pencil type, but it is not a pencil.
Door side.
The top view of the door.
Side of the door.
Not side, top view of the door. Because we are matching the top views. All are top views. Got it, Aradhya? When you look today, do one thing. Stand on chair. If it is possible for you to see the top view of the. Do this activity. Yes, Aradhya?
Ma'am, what is this? Bigger side. I think
Okay.
it is the side.
Now open your textbook, everyone. Open your textbook. Is my textbook page visible to you all? Is my textbook page visible to you all?
Yes,
ma'am.
Okay.
Yes.
Can we
Yes,
start
ma'am.
doing this what is given in the textbook? The name of the chapter is The Way the World Looks. Gappu Air Journey. Gappu was a brave little mouse. One day he saw children playing with a huge gas balloon. The balloon went up and touched the roof. Gappu was thrilled. He got an idea. Next day, when the children went to school, Gappu climbed up the string of the balloon. He thought one idea in the mind that I want to go up and I want to see the world. So what he did, he climbed on the string and the string of the balloon. So the balloon went up slowly. He could see the blades of the fan from the above. Now he is climbing on the wall, touching the top of the wall, and he is watching what from the top? Can you imagine?
A fan.
Fan from
That
the
is very dirty.
So what have you noticed if you're watching the fan from the top?
Ma'am, he noticed that the fan's blades are very dirty.
Yes. So you also think that sometimes we clean from down and it looks like that the fan is very much clean. But have you ever noticed कि ऊपर से कितनी गंदगी होती है? नहीं ना? तो he was thinking that only कि नीचे से तो कितना अच्छा लग रहा है फैन, पर ऊपर से तो कितना डर्टी है, डस्ट है इसके ऊपर. Now see. Oh, there is so much dirt on these blades from below. They look so clean. Now read down. Draw how the fan looks from the below. So that is your home task. You need to draw a fan near the space which is given there only. In the textbook only, you need to draw a fan. Then as Gappu looked down, he could see the bed, the chair, the table, one table with books on it, and the other table with bottle, a jug, fruits, etc. So when he went up, he climbed on the with the string of the balloon, and he can able to see all the things which are kept on the table, chairs, right? So children, today also you go to the terrace. Okay, go to terrace and try to see how, when you see from the terrace, how the road look like, how the cars look. It will look big or look small.
Small.
जितना भी आप ऊपर से देखते हैं टॉप व्यू से, मे बी many of you visited to Burj Khalifa. Many of you visited to Burj Khalifa.
Yeah.
So how it look from the top?
ma'am. Ma'am, it's so
Everything
Ma'am, it
looks
was so small.
Ma'am,
everything looks small, no, from the top.
floors.
Today also you go to the terrace and try to observe the things which are down, car, bus, cycle, scooter, whatever is moving down, how it looks when you look from front, when you look from down, how it looks, and when you look from up, how it looks. So you need to find the differentiate between these things. Okay. Yeah. Then Gappu was thinking कि मैं नीचे जब भागता रहता हूँ तो मुझे सब बड़ा बड़ा दिखता है, अब मैं ऊपर चला गया हूँ तो everything was looking small. Now, can you think why Gappu could see the cheese on the jug but Chinky could not? Can you tell me how it is possible, student?
Ma'am, I can say,
Yes, Moksh?
ma'am, because Chinky is a rat and he is small and he is seeing the side view of it, and Gappu is seeing the top view of it. That's why Gappu knows
Chinky
that.
is looking from the down only, and
Yes.
the Gappu is looking from the top. So if he is looking from the top, he can see the things which are kept on the jug also. है ना? अब चिंकी इज वेरी टाइनी स्मॉल, वो तो नीचे ही घूम रही है, तो क्या उसको जग के ऊपर क्या पड़ा हुआ है वो दिखेगा? नहीं नो ना. If suppose I am holding this but I am keeping this like this above the reach of you, तो क्या आपको will you able to find इसके ऊपर मैंने क्या रखा है? No, right? Because you cannot see it. But if you look from the top, will you able to find what is there it kept?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, no? The same way it happened with Chinky and Gappu also. So Gappu can able to see the cheese, but Chinky is not able to because she is looking from the down only. Just okay. We will end here. We will start the next topic from tomorrow. Okay, students, so today's concept is clear to you all about the different views of the object?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you, students.
Bye, ma'am.
Thank you.